As Jordy would say, hey besties, we're gonna start this way. Insert to the side, practice out, in.
Sometimes I know I'll stay.
Double and switch sides. Good, search to the side.
Never really sociable.
Double, hit, we'll do that later, clear the air. And pull yourself together. You're a damn mess. You have a few more seconds to clean it up. Search to the side, let's go.
If you're looking for a mess,
double, hit, good. If I can do this on this slippery ass dirt, you can too.
I promise you.
Reach front.
I love you harder than anyone that you've
Give me drama.
I love you places where all your exes would never go.
This I'm in.
I love you so fucking good, you won't have to say it
Other
first.
arm.
Till it hurts, till it hurts, till it hurts.
Bop to the side.
Forget about anybody who ever broke your heart. They might have loved you first, but I will love you more. I wanna love you the way that you think you don't
Hold it here.
deserve. Till it hurts, till it hurts,
Cry.
till it hurts me.
Clear the air. This is your break time. Get yourself together. You've left the party, you're home. You're in the bathroom. Touch yourself up, splash some water on your face, and get back out there, kid. Search!
If you're looking for a prince, I'll admit I'm not a god of his secret. Maybe it's a problem that I'm a masochist. Lose all my common sense when I'm with you. I love you harder than anyone that you've ever known.
I want you to look like you got the wind knocked out of you.
So fucking good, you won't have to say it first. Till it hurts, till it hurts, till it hurts.
Back to the side.
Forget about anybody who ever broke your heart. They might have loved you first, but I will love you more. I wanna love you the way that you think you don't deserve. Till it hurts, till it hurts, till it hurts.
To the right. I want you to bask in the joy of not being fully present. You're floating above your body. Let's go. Cry those tears.
I love you harder than anyone that
These are our tears for attention. It's what we do when we can't have an adult conversation, so we just cry.
Till it hurts, till it hurts, till it hurts.
Let's go.
Forget about anybody who ever broke your heart. They might have loved you first, but I will love you more. I wanna love you the way that you think you don't deserve. Till it hurts, till it hurts, till it hurts.
Cry.
Sometimes, but know who I'm not. That's why when I'm laying with you, I know that you'll feel it too.
Good job.
The mesh tee is finally out and you can wear it till it hurts, which will be never because it never chafes. It feels great on my bare chest. That was a serious question. The white mesh tee is on sale now. Go to activebooty.com to get yours before they're sold out. Click right here to watch the official video by Jordy, and you can click right here to do our 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions. We do them every single week. They never expire, and it's the best way to get a Fitness Marshall workworkout.
Sweat sessions. Sweat sessions.